Ancient Roman dodecahedrons have puzzled archaeologists ever since their discovery in the Midlands of England in 1739. For nearly 3 centuries, experts and enthusiasts have put forward dozens of theories about the purpose of these objects, but no explanation has been definitively proven. At least 120 dodecahedrons have been discovered so far in the northwestern provinces of the Roman Empire. All date from the late 2nd to late 4th centuries AD and share a very similar general appearance. According to classical archaeologist Michael Guggenberger, who has published various studies on this subject, the shape essentially consists of a dodecahedron with pentagonal surfaces. 12 pentagons form the surfaces of a hollow shape, and these surfaces meet at 20 vertices. A small sphere is located at each vertex, and each pentagonal surface has a hole of varying diameter. Dodecahedrons are 4 to 10 centimeters high and weigh between 30 and 580 grams. Their surfaces are extremely thin. To date, no writing or markings have been found on any of them. Related, mysterious 12-faced object found in Belgium. Although these objects have been found in Austria, Belgium, France, Germany, Britain, Hungary, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, and Switzerland, they have never been encountered in Italy, leading Guggenberger to consider them Gallo-Roman artifacts and suggest their origins may lie with Celtic tribes in the Roman Empire. However, since there are no written records or depictions of these objects in ancient sources or works of art, their origins and purpose remain completely unknown. Archaeologists have found these dodecahedrons in both male and female graves, in coin collections, and even in refuse heaps, making a single, definitive explanation of their purpose difficult. Nevertheless, researchers have developed various theories to try and solve the mystery. It has been suggested that these objects may have been used as weapons, ornaments, candlesticks, rangefinders, measuring instruments, children's toys, dice, craftsman specimens, or spools for knitting gloves. According to Guggenberger, of the more than 50 theories, most are now considered outdated or highly improbable. His most accepted explanation is that it carries symbolic meaning, particularly in connection with the philosophies of ancient Greek philosophers Plato and Pythagoras. In Platonic Pythagorean symbolism, 4 regular geometric shapes are associated with the 4 elements: the tetrahedron with fire, the octahedron with air, the icosahedron with water, and the hexahedron, cube, with earth. The 5th regular solid, the dodecahedron, is seen as a comprehensive symbol representing the universe. Guggenberger emphasizes this symbolic meaning in a study published in 2013. According to Guggenberger, thinkers like Plutarch in the 2nd century AD had reintroduced the dodecahedron as a symbolic link between the universe and the sky, and this idea may have influenced the Celtic peoples in the Roman Empire. However, in his 2000 study, Guggenberger notes that one particular grave may hold a significant clue to solving this mystery. The Gallup dodecahedron, discovered in a woman's grave in Germany in 1966, was found next to a rod-shaped bone object. This suggests the object may have been mounted vertically like a staff, forming a symbolic staff. Given the object's Celtic origins, this could link it to Druid traditions. Gallo-Roman culture. Dodecahedrons have been found almost entirely in ancient Celtic lands. This suggests that the object represents a hybrid tradition, specific to this region rather than to Rome in general. Their complete absence in the Mediterranean basin, Italy, Spain, Greece, proves that it was related to a local need or belief. Druid influence. Some historians connect this to Druid, Celtic priestly traditions that went hidden or transformed after the Roman invasion. The presence of the objects alongside religious structures or treasure hoards suggests they may have been a form of esoteric knowledge or divination tool. Climate and agriculture. If these objects are, as theories suggest, astronomical instruments measuring daylight to determine winter grain planting time, Their use would make sense in northern states where seasonal transitions are much more drastic and critical. In the balanced climate of the Mediterranean, such a precise measuring instrument might not have been necessary. Craft schools. The bronze casting workshops in this region are known to have possessed a unique geometric artistic sensibility, distinct from other parts of Rome. These objects may have served as a kind of secret signature or examination piece for the guilds in that area. Interestingly, in addition to dodecahedrons, icosahedrons, which are much rarer and have only 20 faces, have also been found in these regions.